Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another cleaning video. This time I am cleaning my master bedroom. And as you can see, I have changed all of the decor in my bedroom for the spring. I just did a little bit lighter, and I just feel like the darker for the fall and winter, and now that we're coming in with the spring, just give it a little touch up. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, so here I am just going to dust the nightstand just to take off the dust, and after that I will be cleaning it with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the scent Rosemary. I usually use a wood cleaner, but I also love to use the Mrs. Meyer's as it has such a good scent, and it leaves my room smelling fresh and my furniture as well. Okay, so moving on, I am just folding some clothes that I had on top of my dresser and putting them away. And I will also be dusting it and using the Mrs. Meyer's on there too. Okay, so now I am going to sweep. My bedroom isn't too big, so I have a really hard time getting all the dust and everything from under the bed. So as you can see, I have to get down on my knees and put the broom under there to try to get every dust or anything that will be under there. Sometimes I do use my vacuum as well. I put the vacuum hose under the bed and it just sucks everything right up, but for this video I just decided to use my broom. Okay, so for the mirrors, I'm going to use the Grove Collaborative Concentrated Glass Cleaner. I did order from them one time. I haven't made an order again just because I have so many cleaning products and I want to finish everything that I have before I even go and buy some more. Let me know in the comments if I'm the only one like that. I'm basically addicted to buying cleaning supplies and anything to make my home smell good. Now I am just cleaning my Scentsy wax warmer. As you saw earlier in the video, I turned it on just to get all that wax melted, and I'm just cleaning it with a clean paper towel, and it cleans it right up after it's all been melted. And I'm going to be putting a new Scentsy wax cube in there just to make my bedroom smell good and nice and fresh. Okay guys, so here's the final result of what my bedroom looks like after it's been all cleaned up and dusted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber and join my family. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye guys.